my beautiful friends. Welcome back to Seeking Out Sunshine and another episode of Let Your Light Shine, where we step outside of the pages of our coloring books and reconnect with our spirits, abandoning all the rules and confines of lines and borders, exploring the complete creative freedom. I'm going to take that card right there of combining our favorite mediums with a weekly affirmation. So, welcome or welcome back. My name is Ashley, and I am so glad you're here. And today we are using the card deck Spirit Junkie from Gabrielle Bernstein, and the artwork is by the lovely Michaela Ezra. So, interestingly enough, when I sat down to do this video, I had originally picked my Super Attractor card deck, and everything changed when I sat down and said Spirit Junkie, Spirit Junkie. So that's what I grabbed, and this popped out before I even got my intro done. So we definitely have a message that the universe wants this sweet group to hear, and it is this: creativity flows from me. I am a divine creator. Creativity flows from me. I am a divine creator. What a wonderful, beautiful message for a space that is all about creativity. I think sometimes we doubt our own creativity in our life, and I am so excited to just have a moment to play and see what grows from that moment of fun and playfulness, and I hope that you will all do the same. Creativity is defined as the power to make something new. It means thinking past old rules to find fresh ways to solve problems. We are creators in every moment of every day. We create when we select our outfit for the day, the meals we will prepare, the routes we will take to work. All of these are our creative juices on how to fill that space that sits empty until a decision has to be made. To many, those daily creative decisions may just seem like second nature. You've made them for so long, you don't have to give it much creative thought anymore. But then, one day, you are faced with a blank piece of paper and a brand new creative decision, and we can freeze with uncertainty of how to move forward. It feels too vast, too big. Or we don't believe we could possibly create something that could be useful or valuable. I want you to pause and think for a moment about a time in your life that you were learning to do something new. Maybe you attended a sporting event and were inspired to try out for a new team. Or maybe you went to a concert and you were inspired to play a new instrument. Or maybe you read a brilliant book and you were inspired to write one of your own. Wherever your inspiration came from, it ignited a light inside of your soul that sent you the message: it is time to create, to do something new, to put more of you out in the world, to fill the blank pages of your story with greatness. So, you joined the team, started the music lessons, or began writing your novel. But then one day, you stopped. Not because you wanted to, but because the world told you that you weren't good enough. That there were others better at creating. And you stopped using that creative muscle and pushed away the ideas and inspirations that would come your way. You didn't grab on to them as you did once as a child and believe with all your heart that you would succeed and do something amazing. You shrunk into a box that you allowed others to put you in, until one day your spirit could not stand this prison any longer and flooded your being with inspiration and told you to create once again. To stop giving the power to others, to believe in the gift and bright, brilliant light that you are. To be able to be inspired by others' creativity, but never allow it to remove you from your own. And the more you try to push this urgency away, the universe will show up even stronger, reminding you of that inner child that yearns to create, the one who was fearless to try new things, who celebrated every milestone and creative moment like it was the ultimate victory of life. And this is when we're left at a crossroads. Do we continue to hide, or do we start filling the pages of our lives with spectacular moments? It's not easy to fill a blank page, and quite honestly, it will feel harder and more uncomfortable for a while. But do it anyway. Do it scared. Do it unsure of the outcome. Do it even if others tell you not to. The first time you went to practice or played that instrument or wrote that book, it was rough and it was bad and it was supposed to be. This is how we grow and better understand what we are called to create next. So make a mess of whatever you are creating. Throw all of your love and light at it and see what sticks. And then do it all again tomorrow, and the next day, and the next. Your creativity is a gift to this world, but it is also a muscle that must be used, and not just one day, but every day. Your ideas and inspiration are out there waiting for you to discover them, and no one else can make them come to life the way that you can. So, what are you waiting for? Be brave. Take up your space and shine only as you can in this world.